Welcome to Still Works and Brewing. My name is Randy, and this is a channel that's all about home distillation and brewing. So what do we got going on today? Today's going to be something kind of new for me. We're going to make some dried fruit cocktail jars. This ought to be pretty interesting, so you're going to want to stick around for this. Okay, but there's one thing that you can really do to help this channel out. Please hit that subscribe button down there. That's all you need to do. That'd be fantastic. Okay, so let's get started now. Okay, so you might ask, what in the hell is a dried fruit cocktail jar? Well, I was just to let how I did not come up with this idea, but I thought it was pretty interesting, so I wanted to try it. I haven't tried it yet, so this is going to be new to me and everybody. So it might be good, might not, and I'll let you know how it all turns out. Okay, so anyway, I was at a local craft fair, and there was a person there selling these jars, and it looked pretty interesting, and they had a lot of different flavors. So what I'm going to try to do is make 3 different cocktails. I'm going to make a citrus. I wanted to make a kind of take on a cherry bounce, and I'm also going to take a take on what? A caramel apple. So we're going to try this, and how it works is I put the ingredients in a jar to what I want, and they're all dried, so you could make them and stick them up on the shelf, and when you're ready for them, you mix them with some your favorite spirit. I'm going to use some 80 proof vodka I have, and you fill the jar full of that. You put it in a refrigerator for 3 days, and then you can mix soda, then pour it out and mix soda with it, or whatever the case may be. So this might be pretty interesting, and well, let's get started. We'll make the first one. We're going to make the citrus first, okay? And what I'll end up doing is I'll put the ingredients that I use in the description, and then because what I'm going to do is this part of the video now, then wait 3 days and finish up the video. So we'll try it, and if I think you need more or less or something, we'll let you know. Then you can adjust the ingredients that's in the description as needed. Okay, so all right, so let's get started. Our citrus. We'll take our nice pint jar here, and I have a dehydrator, and I dehydrated all this myself. Of course, it's very easy to do. So the very first thing that we're going to put in here, because this is citrus, is I got some grapefruit. So I guess I have to break them in half. I think 2 slices of grapefruit. So that's 2 slice grapefruit. Okay, so now I got some orange. I think we'll go with 2 slices of orange. Two slice orange. Okay, so now we got some lemons. I think 3 lemons. And 3 limes. This will be the citrus. Okay. And then what we're going to add is a little bit of thyme. I just think it will add a nice little flavor to it. And a little bit of rosemary. Okay. Now, because this is a cocktail, we'll add some sugar cubes in. So there will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. So there's our first. That's going to be our citrus cocktail. Okay, so what I'll do is I'm gonna get them all made up, and then we'll add the booze into it. Okay. So the next one we're gonna make. This one is very, very simple. It's just gonna be my take on a cherry bounce. So we're gonna add. These are some dried cherries. Just about a half a jar of dried cherries. Is there anything left in this bag? Okay. And of course you need sugar in a cherry bounce. It should be pretty sweet, so 2, 4, 6, 8. And like I said, we can always adjust this if we need to. All right, so that's going to be our cherry bounce. All right. Okay. Okay, so we're going to make our third, our caramel apple. Okay. So what we'll do is we'll put a couple of the caramels in the bottom. And then we're going to put some more, then we'll fill the jar up full of dried apples. And a lot of times, you know, different fruits are so plentiful at certain times of year. You know, if you can dry them, they last for a very long time. A couple more caramels. So how many sugars was that? 1, 2, 3, 4. We can always readjust that. That's going to be 6 sugars and a jar full of apples. Okay? So there is our 3 kinds. All right, let me get this stuff cleaned up. And then we're going to put some vodka in there, and then we'll go from there. Okay? Okay, so we're going to add our, now you could use your favorite spirit, whatever spirit you want to use. It's just in this case, I thought vodka would be the best. So we fill that up. Gonna need some. Okay. Okay, that's how simple it is. And like I said, what we'll do is we're going to put these in the refrigerator for 3 days. And what we'll do is I got a little strainer top to put on the jar, put it in a glass with our favorite, and then our favorite mixture with it. And we're going to see how it tastes, and I'll let you know exactly how it is. good, bad, or indifferent, okay? Looking so interesting so far. But we'll let the flavors get all through that. All right? So, I'll be back 3 days from now. So we'll see you then. Welcome back to Still Works and Brewing. It's been 3 days since we've done our cocktail jars. Today we get to try them out. This is Laura.
Hi.
Okay, let's try this apple cinnamon. And one thing I forgot to tell you is that I did add a cinnamon stick to that. But I wanted to try just a little bit without any soda in it. Okay, here we go. It's nice and creamy looking. Wow, that's better than I thought it was going to be.
Yeah, it is.
I mean, it does have a real creamy taste. Nice little gentle burn. I can really
cinnamon.
taste. Yeah, can you taste the cinnamon?
Yep.
What about the caramel? There's a lot of nice caramel.
A lot of caramel.
I don't think I would change that a bit. Okay, let's try a couple ice cubes.
I'm not sure I'd like to put soda in this one. I don't think it would.
You don't think so?
No.
Drink it just like that?
Yep.
Yeah, that would be pretty good, just the way it is. Well, I'm going to try it just for the heck of it. Just a little bit. Nope.
Nope. I want to see how you like it.
No, I'm with you.
Okay.
I would drink that one just the way it is.
Over ice.
Over ice. Yeah, ice cold would be the best. Okay. So I think that one is a success. I would make that one over again. Okay? Alright. We get to finish these all up after we get them done tasting.
Woohoo!
Okay, this is my take on the cherry bounce. Okay, it was just cherries and some sugar and the vodka.
These were my Michigan cherries, right?
Yes, Michigan cherries. Okay.
Those lids don't cork right.
No, they don't. Alright, let's taste it without anything in it. Now to me, that tastes a little bit like cough syrup. I'll be honest with you, I'm not that pleased with that.
Not sold, no.
It tastes a little bit like cough syrup to me.
That's good.
Let's try it with a little bit of Sprite. That's not bad with the Sprite in it, though.
No, the Sprite brings out the cherryness in it.
Yes, it takes away the cough syrup taste and brings out a nice cherry. I like it with the Sprite
soda,
in it.
yeah.
Okay, so I like to say that's a success too.
It is.
Okay.
Oh, that would be good on a nice by a fire.
Out by the campfire?
Yes, indeed. Yep.
Okay, now here is the one that I've been really looking forward to. If you really can look at that, it's a good looking jar. Okay? And I think this is the one that started all this. Got a nice lemon looking color.
Yeah, it does.
I really smell citrus.
Lemon, lime, yep.
Yeah. Wow. I do believe I think I'd cut back on the amount of citrus I put in that jar, though.
I think so.
Okay, but
Probably put a little bit more rosemary in there. Another sprig of rosemary.
no sprig rosemary. But I think I would cut down on the amount. I think I'm tasting too much grapefruit.
That might, yes.
I think one slice of grapefruit would be it. Still, I want a nice cube.
Here, drop on it for me. Thanks.
Oh yeah,
That tastes much better.
yeah. I think if we would drop that down to one slice of grapefruit and just have the lemon, lime, and orange, I think that would be fantastic.
Yes.
I do believe so too. I mean, it's got a nice little lemony color, lemon lime color.
Yes, it does. But yeah, I agree with the grapefruit.
Right. Yes, it's very citrusy tasting.
You
I'm
could
very
even
pleased with
probably
that.
do without the grapefruit. Just do the orange, lemon, and the limes.
We could, yeah.
'Cause
Okay.
if you don't like grapefruit, you won't,
Yeah. All right. Well.
because it's a punch.
All right. Well, I think this has been a success. If you can think of any other combinations we could put in these jars, leave it down in the comments. Hey, and if everybody likes this, we'll come back and try it again and do some different ones. It's been a lot of fun.
It has.
Yeah. So, the only thing left to say is, hey, thanks for stopping by, and we'll see you next time here on Still Works and Brewing. Thanks a lot.
You're welcome.
Wow, that is good.
That's good. But yeah, I agree with the grapefruit. That needs to.
Just a little bit too much grapefruit.
How much did you put in?
I put in one. I have to look at my notes, but I think it was only one slice. Or was it two slices? I think it
don't
might have been
know.
2 slices.
Okay.
A little bit too much grapefruit. Okay. But I was really surprised about the apple.
I was, but not with the soda, I'm sure.
No, I think it just like that. You could do a big jar of that, and you could really enjoy that.
Oh, yeah.
Okay.